what I'm saying?
No, man, honestly, I don't think I do. I don't understand right here where it's like... Looking good, Larry. Love the whole barn door thing, buddy. So, Larry, tell me. Shouldn't a grown man be able to get to work on time?
Mark, but seriously, Larry, the meeting starts in like 10 minutes. What seems to be the problem?
It's nothing. Don't worry about it.
5 minutes to meeting, ladies. Ah, foreskin. You're late.
It's foreman, sir.
Yeah. It's gonna be Johnny fucking unemployed. You don't get your shit together, kid. You are gonna be out in the street sucking off hobos for beer money. You got it?
I drink wine.
Yeah, sure you do.
It's just my alarm clock. I don't hear it. I don't know what to do. I can't ever get to work on time.
So, do you have an alarm clock, or is it an alarm clock radio?
I think it's an alarm clock radio.
Does it have an auxiliary jack?
I think so.
Well, you could plug these headphones into it, and when your alarm clock goes off in the morning, it's sure to be loud as fuck.
I like that idea.